Dorothy, the owner and founder of Flower Budgets. Welcome to our Introduction to Budgeting course. Whether you're just starting out or managing your finances or seeking to enhance your skills, this course is tailored to provide you with essential tools needed to take charge of your financial journey. Budgeting isn't just about restricting your spending, it's about making your money work for you. By setting clear financial goals, you achieve milestones like buying a house, planning a dream vacation, or securing your retirement. Let's start with the basics. At its core, a budget is a plan for your money. It involves tracking your income, organizing your expenses, setting aside savings, and aligning all of these with your personal financial goals. Creating a budget is easier than you may think. And here's how to get started. Step 1. Calculate your income. Determine your total monthly income from all sources. Step 2. List your expenses. Identify all your monthly expenses, including both fixed and variable costs. Step 3. Set your financial goals. Decide what you want to achieve financially in the short and long term. Step 4. Create your budget plan. Allocate your income according to the Flower Budgets approach, which is 60% towards bills and fixed expenses, 20% towards variable expenses, and 20% towards savings and debt. Regularly review your budget and make adjustments as needed to stay on track. Now, here are some tips to help you succeed in budgeting. First, be realistic. Set achievable goals and allowances that suit your lifestyle. Prioritize needs over wants. Focus on necessary expenses before discretionary spending. Use budgeting tools. Utilize apps and spreadsheets to simplify your tracking. Flower Budgets has new printables and a web application that can help you with that. To find printables, visit flowerbudgets.com, and for the web application, visit flowerbudgets.app. And finally, stay consistent. Regularly update your budget to reflect changes in your income or expenses. Budgeting is a powerful tool that can transform your financial life. By understanding and implementing these fundamentals, you're taking a crucial step towards financial independence. Join us for the next video where we'll dive deeper into setting realistic financial goals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.